Hey there, my name is Naomi. I am a licensed solo esthetician. I started out in this business as a wax specialist. Today I'm sharing some tips on how to give an efficient underarm wax, starting by cleansing the area and applying a non-toxic body powder to combat any sweat. The wax will not adhere properly if applied on top of sweat. So now I'm just focusing on the direction of the hair growth. The first initial strip should always be applied in the same direction of the hair growth. Otherwise, you could give your clients ingrowns. However, the touch-up strips can be applied in the opposite direction for any little stubborn hairs. Either way, the strip must always be removed in the opposite direction that it is applied. So, three main things to remember when applying the wax. One is to hold their skin taut. This will help give a smooth application. Two, you want to angle your stick at about a 45-degree angle. Three, you want to be sure you are applying a good amount of pressure with your stick. While evening the wax, I'm also creating a lip so that I can grab and get a good hold for a confident, even pull. But I always make sure I'm bringing the lip past where the hair ends. You want to bring it about an inch past where the hair ends so that when I use my stick to pull the lip up, it doesn't pull any hairs with it, because that would just cause unnecessary pain to the client. Now, there are also three main things to remember when pulling the strip. One is again holding the skin taut. Two, pull the strip as parallel to the skin as possible. Try not to pull in an upwards motion, just because that could possibly cause breakage of the hair. And the goal is to pull the entire hair, including the root of the hair, from the follicle so that no hair grows back for a while. And lastly, be sure to apply pressure for at least 2 to 3 seconds. This provides immediate relief for the client. I like to apply the post-wax soothing oil once I'm done with the waxing portion, but before going in with my tweezers, just because the oil gives me a glide to quickly and easily ensure every little last hair is gone. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this. Thank you so much for watching, and Happy New Year.